Hello, I'm Negin Mehrpooya and my colleague we want to show you how to run TE1400 Matlab Interface and how to use it. I suggest you to go on infosysbeckoff.com and here on TwinCat3 installation. On TX Engineering, and here TE1400 TC target for MATLAB, and here installation. You will find some tips which are really useful, but you should know that these are only referred to briefly, not in detail. So I will show you more details in this video. On the engineering PC, which is your laptop, there are some tips, and there are some others on the runtime PC, which is your PLC. So in this video we wanna install all the things that are needed for engineering PC. The first thing is Visual Studio 2010. You should install it the incomplete version, not the shell one. It's better. Make sure that you install under Windows 7 always as administrator. You should right click on that and choose this one. Also, you need Microsoft Windows Driver Kit version 7.1, and you should build environments, and I will show these tips for you. You should download it on Microsoft.com. You can download it here, and when you download this file, you will have some file like that. If you double click on this one, I want to show you what to a checkbox which is really necessary to be checked. Here we just need this one, build environments, and you can go on. I will show you what to do with that. After it is installed, you should go to here and here. We need this path here. You should copy that, and let me just copy this one here. If you right click on your computer icon, there's some properties here, advanced setting, environment variables, and here we need system variable and new. Here is the name, which is Windica, and here you should paste what you have copied, which is that, and you should write the name. I don't do that because I have it here and I did it before. You can see it here, and then press OK, and again OK. So now it's finished, and you can go on BECKHOFF website. Next one, setup instruction. We have Visual Studio, we have TwinCat3, and we have Windows Driver Kit. Now you need to install a MATLAB version if you don't have it now in your system, and we wanna set a path for TE1400. I wanna tell you that here are some more information I will show you on MATLAB. The note that I wanna mention is that uh, you'd better to run always your MATLAB and Visual Studio as administrator. To do that, you can right click on this icon, and here you can run it as administrator, or go on properties, compatibility, and here if you check this checkbox, run this program as an administrator, and press OK, it will always will be run as administrator. Okay, here I want to show you the path. You should click on this button and go on, see if you have done those kind of things. You have TwinCat here function and TE1400 target MATLAB simulator. Select this folder, and if you right click on this and run it, you have it here now, and you can build a simulink on MATLAB and use it in TwinCat. I will let you know more tips about MATLAB simulink and TwinCat. If you've done all these steps, you have it here. You will have a new library which is BECKHOFF target, and you will have some icons here. Based on this website, the path which you have set it, you don't need to set it every time. Just once is okay. But if your MATLAB version is updated, or TE1400 version is updated, you should run it again and set the path again. So more information are provided on other episodes. It's the end of this episode 1. Wish you the best and goodbye.